Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to get threads on Instagram. So first you have to go to your app store to download Threads app on your iPhone, and then go to App Store and search Threads, and then download this app on your iPhone and then open it. And now log in with your Instagram ID, and then go to your profile, and on the top right corner you can see the Instagram badge. Tap on that, and now you will directly go to your Instagram account, and on the top corner you can see the Threads badge. So this is how you can get Threads on Instagram. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.